In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, effective first campaign without getting lost in the interface. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Ads. From the results, click the official Google Ads site. Once you're on the home page, choose Sign In. Enter your email address and password, and if you use a dedicated business account, sign in with those details to keep billing and access organized. Inside your account, look to the left-hand menu for the Campaigns icon. Click it, then select Campaigns from the list. On the Campaigns page, choose New Campaign to begin your setup. You'll be asked to pick a goal. For many businesses starting out, sales or leads are solid choices because they guide the platform to optimize for the actions that matter most. Next, select your campaign type. For a first run, a search campaign is usually the best foundation. Search ads appear when people are actively looking for what you offer, which means intent is high and your budget is used efficiently. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later as you build more. Then set your bidding strategy. For new accounts, maximize conversions is a reliable starting point. This tells Google to use your budget to get as many valuable actions as possible based on the signals it detects. Now define your keywords. These are the terms that will trigger your ads. Think about the phrases your ideal customer would type right before they're ready to act. Product names, service terms, or problem-focused searches. Keep them specific enough to attract qualified clicks rather than broad, generic traffic. You'll create a responsive search ad. Provide up to 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. Aim for variety. Include your main keyword in a few headlines, highlight a strong benefit or unique selling point, and mix in social proof or urgency when appropriate. Keep descriptions clear with a direct call to action that tells people what to do next. Don't skip site links. Adding links to other helpful pages like pricing, contact, testimonials, or a key product category can improve your click-through rate and even lower costs by increasing ad relevance. Each site link should have a concise label and send people to a useful destination. Before you wrap up, double-check your location settings. Make sure you're targeting only the regions you actually serve, not the entire world by accident. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your campaign will begin reviewing and then go live, ready to reach people actively searching for what you offer.